Hey guys, I just got a package from my work, ClickFunnels. Super excited to open it and see what's inside. Let's check it out. Careful not to cut anything. ClickFunnels backpack. That's hecka cool. And it feels like there's something in there. Ha! How fun! All kinds of goodies. T-shirt. Russell's books, which I already have, so I can give these as gifts, or just keep them because the other ones are going to fall apart from reading them so much. Mouse pad, very cool. Water bottle, heck yeah, keep me hydrated while I'm working. Aw, so cool. It's Operation Underground Railroad that helps people get out of slavery. I think it's a little USB drive. Heck. ClickFunnels lip balm. That's awesome. Heck yes, and a smartphone grip. I need this. I just got a new phone, so I can throw that on there. Yeah! Woohoo! I think that's it. This is freaking awesome. Thank you guys.